Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial of Leetcode, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can switch the appearance. That means how you can switch to the dark mode or the light mode on the Leetcode. If you don't know, the dark mode provides a very consistent and avoids the eye strains while solving the problems on Leetcode. Now, in order to achieve that, all you need to do is to just first simply go to the problem section. Let's say this is the basic interface when you log in and go to solve the problem. Here on the top right corner, when you click over your profile icon, the profile settings have been open. Here you need to scroll down in this section where you find this option which says appearance. Currently it is set to system default. Now from here you can easily switch to your convenient mode for the appearance of the lead code interface. That gonna helps you in a lot of ways. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.